Good morning, students. Now in this class we see some graph and geometry. It's one kind of geometry and graph. It is useful the unit test and also in the public exam. We already see so many types of the graph. Here also we see the graph. The graph or the question is in example 3.52. Draw the graph of y is equal to x square minus 4x plus 3. Now we draw the graph of this one and use it to solve x square minus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0. The same model sum in a previous class we see already. The same model sum we solve the problems. First of all, to form a table. When we form a table, the value of x starts from in which number and end to in which number. The identification is very important. How to identify? To solve the which equation? To solve this quadratic equation. To solve means it has some solution. You see it is a quadratic equation. When we multiply every number we get 9. At the same time, what is the coefficient of x term? Minus 6. When we multiply every number we get 9. At the same time we add we get minus 6. So what is the possibilities? Is a minus 3 and minus 3 is the only possible. Minus 3 into minus 3 is plus 9. Minus 3 add we get a minus 6. So both are in the same value. Therefore, it has only one solution because both the numbers are same. So it has only one solution. The solution is 3. If it is a minus 3, we solve. Actually, it's a factor. X minus 3 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. So the value of x is equal to 3. So the value of x is equal to 3 occurred twice. So it has only the solution is x is equal to 3. So the solution set is up to 3. So now we form a table. First we draw the graph of the first equation. Y is equal to x square minus 4x plus 3. Now we draw this graph. Then using this graph to solve this equation. Okay, we know how to form a table. So first we form a table. The first row is the values of x. The first row is the values of x. We identify the value of x is start from. Actually minus 3 is there. So what is the solution set? 3. So the number 3 will come exact. So I start from minus 1. Is your choice, we start anywhere. Minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and one more number I find, 4. So x value start from minus 1 to 4. The identification of the x value is very important because the solution set is just 3. So there is no negative number is involved, but we need one U-shaped curve. So we start from minus 1. We find the value of y is equal to x square minus 4x plus 3. So we find 1 by 1. What is the first term? X square. So this row fully x square. Next, minus 4x. Next row is minus 4x. Next, 3. So the row fully contains 3. And the last row is the value of y. So the value of y is, I have no place, so I write here x square minus 4x plus 3. First we form this table. So in this table you remind always the first row is the value of x and the last row is the value of y. In middle the values of y is there. Okay, we form the values of x. The next row is x square. So is the value of x. So square. Minus 1 the whole square is plus 1. The value of 0 square 0. The value of 1 square 1. The value of a 2 square 4. The value of a 3 square 9. And the value of a 4 square is 16. So x square column is 4. Next, minus 4x. That means we multiply x with minus 4. So now exactly in this column, minus 1 into, in place of x here, minus 1. Minus 4 into minus 1, plus 4. Minus 4 into 0, 0. Minus 4 into 1, minus 4. Minus 4 into, the value of x is 2. Minus 4 into 2 is minus 8. Minus 4 into 3, minus 12. Minus 4 into 4 is minus 16. So this will next 3. Just a number 3 is there. So in each and every column we enter the number 3. Last y. Y is nothing but the sum of these 3 terms. X square minus 4x plus 3. We have this 3. 1 plus 4 5. 5 plus 3 8. 0 0 3. Here 1 plus 3 4. Minus 4, 4 minus 4, 0. 4 plus 3, 7, minus 8. 7 minus 8, minus 1. 9 plus 3 is 12, minus 12, 0. 16 minus 16 is cancelled. The number is 3. Now we plot the points. So it's a value of x and it is a value of y. So the next line is we plot the points. Minus 1 comma first value of x minus 1 whose relevant value of y is 8 minus 1 comma 8. Next value of x is 0 whose relevant value of y is 3. Next 1 whose relevant value of y is 0. Next value of x is actually 2. So 2 comma minus 1. Next 3 comma 0. And last 4 comma 3. So the first step is over to form how to form a U-shaped graph. So we plot the points, we get one U-shape. But to solve the equation, so now we will take this equation. Y is equal to x square minus 4x plus 3. And to solve the equation, one more equation is there. So to solve these two equations, so we write y is equal to, and this equation I write in reverse order. Reverse order means first I write the LHS in RHS, 0 is equal to, now I write the LHS into the RHS. So x square minus 6x plus 9. Now I separate these two equations because we need a solution. A solution is nothing but the point of intersection of the curve and the line. So I solve these two equations by separate. So when we separate, all the sign are changes in the second equation. So plus x square minus x square vanish. Y minus 0 is just y in RHS. Minus become plus. So plus 6x minus 4x. 6x minus 4x is just 2x. Minus 9 actually. Minus 9 plus 3 is a minus 6. So now we find one line also. Y is equal to x minus 6 is nothing but a straight line. Next, to form the straight line also. So now again we form one table. The table indicates the values of x and y. But the value of y here, the value of y is 2x minus 6. So the value of y is 2x minus 6. Now we will take the value of x. We already find what is the solution. It's a positive number, just 3. So I will take the value of x here, 1, 2, 3. Is your choice. You will take any 3 values. But the value lies within the solution set. It may be you will be take minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 like this. Or minus 3, 0, minus 3 is your choice. For our easy purpose, I will take the value of x is here just 3 number. The numbers are 1, 2, 3. Next, y. The value of y is 2x minus 6. In first column, the value of x is 1. 2 ones are 2. 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6 is minus 4. Next, here the value of x is 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Next, the value of x is 3. 2 3s are 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Now we have 3 points. The points are 1 comma minus 4. 2 comma minus 2. And 3 comma 0. Next, we draw the line and also to draw the graph. The point of intersection of the Graph on the line is nothing but a solution. So you write the word, the solution set is the point of intersection of the curve and the line. We must tell what is meant by a solution set. The solution set is the point of intersection of the curve and the line. Just we write in short, curve and the line. Therefore, the solution set. I know the answer of the solution set is just 3. So the point of intersection of the line and curve is intersect at only one point. The point is 3, so I write the solution set is 3. Suppose we don't know how to identify the solution set. You write the word solution set empty. Then we draw the diagram. Then we see in which point the curve and the line is intersect. It is called the solution set. But in this sum, I know very well the solution set. So first I write the solution set. So the entire lines should be right in the lines of the graph. Next, we draw the graph. Now we check exact the curve and the line is intersect at the point 3. Now we draw the graph. So it's origin. First we mark origin, x-axis, y-axis. Left hand side is x dash and down side is y dash. Now we first of all we plot the points. The first point is -1, 8. So x value is -1 and the value of y is 8. -1, 8. Next 0, 3. X value is 0 and y value is 3. 3 is lies between 2 and 3. So 0, 3. So your choice will be take 1 by 1 also. Suppose if we take the value of y is 1, 2, 3 like this, the graph is very big. So the when minimize, so I'll take the value of y is 2. The value of x is up to 4 and 5 only lies. So I'll take x value is 1 and y values will be take 2. 0, 3. The next value of x is 1, 0. X value is 1 and y value is 0. Next 2, -1. X value is 2 and y value is -1. So 2, -1 and 3, 0. X value is 3, y value is 0. 4, 3. X value is 4 and y value is 3. 4, 3. First, using these points to graph by joining the points, so just we extended, then we put an arrow mark. So U-shaped diagram will come. So using these points, one U-shaped diagram will come. The name of the equation is, the name of the curve is y is equal to x square minus 4x plus 3. So first we plot the points, then we draw the curve. So you just draw and pencil. You don't take the in your hand, directly we draw the curve. The curve it should be in a U shape. It's not in V shape, it is in U shape. So diagram is over. Next, to draw a line. To making a line, the plotting points is, so it is a line. So we plot these points, then we draw the curve. Now we draw the line. The plotting points is 1, -4. X value is 1 and y value is -4. 1, -4. 2, -2. X value is 2 and y value is also -2. 3, 0. Again we already mark. Now using these 3 points 1, 2 and 3, we draw a line. So I draw a line. Then is your choice. The line is extended anywhere. Here also the line is extended. Now you see exactly the curve and the line is meets at only one point. The point is 3. The name of the line is y is equal to 2x minus 6. So here also we write the solution. Therefore the solution set is, now you see the meeting point of the curve on the line is just only one point, the point is 3. So the solution set is 3. Actually there will be two solution set, x and y will come. But here it meet only one point, so we say the solution set is 3. Actually here what is the value of y? The value of y is 0. So no need to write, so just we write the solution set is 3. Suppose the solution set is except the axis, then y value is also possible. So here the meeting point is only 1, so the solution set is just 3. Then we write the scale. In x-axis, we will take each and every centimeter as 1 units. 1 unit. In y-axis, actually so each one indicates 1 centimeter. Each one indicates 1 centimeter as 2 units. Suppose we don't find out the solution set, we draw the diagram, then we find the solution set. Then in your writing page also we write the solution set. So you must write the solution set. So how to solve the graph? First we identify the given problem has a solution set or not. Suppose if it is a solution set, then the relevant value of x will be taken in the first table, is the first one. Next, to solve the given two equations, then one line of the linear will come, then plot the points of the linear also, then the point of intersection of the curve on the line is called the solution set. So we must write the solution set in both the sides, that is in a diagram side and also the writing page. Then the scale also important. In a graph, R is in x-axis, y-axis. All points are indicated, is very must. So this type of same problem lies in exercise. So we must try. So in this model, I elaborately teach one sum. The same model sum is also lies in our textbook. We must try in our graph note. Next we see one practical geometry model. We already see the previous model. Now we see one model. Actually, the question will be asked just construct a triangle. For our understanding purpose, I write the heading. That is, the model sum is of the form. We construct a triangle. When is a base and the vertical angle and the altitude from the vertex to the base are given. Suppose these three data are given. So the working rule of the given problem we see. What are the data? Base, vertical angle, altitude from the vertex. Suppose these three are given using this model. But in your exam or test, just the question will be asked, construct a triangle. Now we understood the problem involving this type. Now we see the question. Example 4.18. Construct a triangle PQR. We triangle a PQR such that PQR is equal to 5 cm, where QR is the base. And angle P is 30 degrees. So one vertical angle. And the altitude from P to QR. Altitude from P to QR is of length 4.2 centimeter. Base, vertical angle, and the altitude from the vertex to the base, all are given. So first in sum, we draw a rough diagram. You know very well. First we draw a rough diagram, then we form a fat diagram. So the rough diagram is very easy one. To construct a triangle. So triangle. The base is QR. So up is P. And the altitude is draw. Altitude is nothing but perpendicular line. So perpendicular symbol. This your choice will be put any value. So I will take it is M. M or D is like this. You will take any value. And the value of a QR is important. The base value is 5 centimeter. And the length of the altitude is 4.2 centimeter. You must indicate each and every value. And the vertical angle value is 30 degree. So rough diagram is work. So just it is the rough diagram. We draw a triangle only. PQR, base value indicated, altitude length is indicated, and the vertical angle is indicated. So rough diagram is over. Now we move in a fat diagram. I tell one by one step. The first step is we draw the base. What is the base? 5 cm from the scale. We draw first of all a line, then you mark the points. QR. That value is exactly 5 cm. Is the first step. Then take a protractor and we put in a reversal. We already see the same kind of a problem. Here also we do the same work. If we take the protractor. For understanding purpose I say the protractor is on the form. But we will take the protractor in reverse, bottom of the line. Okay, in bottom of the line you will take. Then mark a 30-degree angle. You know 30-degree angle is an acute angle. So the angle it should lies within this line. Suppose here also 130 is there, but it is an obtuse angle. Suppose I say is the value is 30 degree is there. So mark a point. Then we join the Q and this point. Suppose the point is there. Then we put one arrow mark. Is your choice if we take any name. Now I will take it is A. The angle should be 30 degree. So the protractor is in reverse order. Then mark a 30 degree. Then we join the line. First step to draw QR is 5. Next taking 30 degree. What is the next step? The same model. Previous also we see. Next the perpendicular line to draw of QE. To draw a line. The line is perpendicular to QE. So again the protractor is of this form. Here the 90 degree is there. Exactly 90 degree is there. But we will draw a line which is perpendicular to QE. So you take a protractor for this purpose. Okay, you will take the protractor here. So here also 190 degree is there. Okay, you take a protractor from this manner. Then 190 degree is there, you mark it. Suppose you take a protractor in this shape, then we mark a 90 degree, we mark a point. Then we join Q and this point. Suppose the point is there. I will take the name is B. It's your choice, we will put any name except PQR because we draw a triangle PQR. So except PQR we draw any 2 points. So in order, first of all I will take it is A and it is B. Now we check these two values are 90 degree. No need to write, for understanding purpose I write. This angle is 30 degree. And the angle between AOAQB is 90 degree. 90 degree symbol and 30 degree symbol. So now we have 3 steps. The first step, draw the baseline. Second step, making 30 degree angle. What is the reason to take 30 degree angle? Angle B is 30. Then automatically angle B will 30 will come. So that's why I will take angle 30. Second step. Third step, to draw a line which is perpendicular to QE. So in a cross protractor we keep the 90 degree is marked. Then we join a line. So it's A, B. Second step is over. Next, taking the perpendicular bisector of Q1. Taking the perpendicular bisector of the line Q1. How to take the perpendicular bisector? We will be take more than half of this QR. More than half of this QR. You mark an arc from a compass. From point Q, you cut one arc from upside and also the downside. The same process. Don't change the angle and the values. The compass is at the point R. You mark another arc. The two arc. When we join these two arc, then we join a line. Actually, suppose the line is of the form. Now I change it. Suppose it is a point of intersection. Your exact answer will come. Taking the perpendicular bisector, making an angle upside and downside one side Q. The same process will Q in R. The two arcs should cut. Suppose a line is not intersect the line QB, we extend. The line is important, we extend. Why, sir? Actually, the point of intersection of the perpendicular bisector line, okay, is a 90 degree line. Perpendicular bisector line and the 90 degree line, okay, is called O. Where O is the point of intersection of the perpendicular bisector line and the 90 degree line. So is the next step. What is the next step? With O as center, OQ or OR as the radius, we draw a circle. With O as center, OQ as a radius, we draw a circle. So using the all concept, I already draw one circle. You see, with O as a center, OP as a radius, we draw a circle. I will take all points marked here. We take it is A and it is B. The value of PQ is, the value of QR is nothing but QR. The value of QR is 5 centimeter. We take it is A, so here also B. So I already take it is AB, so it is AB. The angle is 30 and this angle is 90 degree. So just if we do the symbol, it indicates a 90 degree. Is the second case is over. And it is a 90 degree. So all the process we already done. For our exact circle diagram, I already draw a circle. Now we do with O as a center, OQ as a radius, we draw a circle. So this process is completed. But we need a triangle. So the circle only we have, but we need a triangle. So the third step. To draw an altitude. Altitude is nothing but a perpendicular line. So actually it's a perpendicular. We will be take the value of the name is your choice. Will be take any value of except PQ, or we already take it is A and B. Or we take this value is M, suppose. M. With M, okay, with M, we cut an arc whose value is exactly 4.2 centimeter. We will take compass from the point M, and I will be take the value is 4.2 centimeter. Cut one arc. The arc should lies in this line. So is that process. The value is 4.2 centimeter. Next, the point of intersection of the arc and the line. Okay, the point of intersection of this arc and this line. We draw one line. The line is parallel to QR. It's important. We draw one line. The line is parallel to QR. Now I draw a line. The line is draw. When we draw the point of intersection of this arc and this line. So I draw one line. If your choice will be take any name, I will put it is M. And this point is nothing but P. We already take QR. And this point is nothing but P. This value is 4.2. Now we join PQ. Now we join PQ and PR. Now you see PQR is a triangle. And this angle, it should come 30 degree. Exactly that angle will come at 30 degree. So in a circle, one triangle is formed. The angle is 30 degree. So we make all the angles and the values. So it is a working rule to find the geometry of this type. So when we use the type, when the base, vertical angle and the altitude from one vertex to the lines are given. So I tell again, first one, we draw a rough diagram. Just PQ or base value, altitude value, vertical angle, enough. PQ or. In a fat diagram, I again tell one by one step. The first step is we draw the baseline. Second step, we draw the 30 degree angle. Okay, 30 degree angle in reversible. Second step. Third step, to make a line. The line is a perpendicular to QA. So you take a protractor from this shape, then making a 9-degree line mark. Then we join the line. So now exert the one straight line. 2 lines. That step. And the fourth step is taking the perpendicular bisector of a QR. Perpendicular bisector means exact, it cuts the line in middle perpendicular. Taking more than half of QR. More than half of QR. You cut an arc from both up and down side of the line. From Q, we cut 2 arcs. Same measurement, don't change. From R also, we cut 2 arcs. Then we form a line. Then, the point of intersection of the perpendicular bisector line and the 90-degree line. For understanding, I say 90-degree line. The perpendicular bisector of the perpendicular bisector line and the 90-degree line is nothing but O. Just next step. Then, with O as a center, this O as a center, OQ or OR is your choice. You can take anyone. As a radius, we draw a circle. The circle, it must exact touches the point Q and R. The circle, we draw a circle. The circle must exact touch the point Q and R. So now we see one table, one circle will come. With O as center, OQ as a radius, we draw a circle. But the triangle shape will not come. Next, from the point M, we will take 4.2 centimeter, where 4.2 centimeter is a value of altitude. The another name of altitude is a perpendicular. With the M as a center in a canvas, we will be taking an arc. The value is 4.2 centimeter. So now one arc and one line is there. And from the point of intersection of the arc and the line, we draw a line. Now we draw a line. That line is exactly parallel to the line of a QR. It's exactly the parallel to the line of QR. So this line is parallel, is very important. It's parallel. Suppose we cross a line, is not parallel to the base. So the line is exactly parallel to the base. Next, the point of intersection of the circle and the line is nothing but P. So this is the point P. Then we join PQ and PR. Now we have a triangle PQR. Then we check the angle, it should come at 30 degree. So it is the working rule to construct a triangle of this type. So when we use this type, one base, altitude, one vertical angle is given by using this type. So diagram is over. Next, we write the construction. It's your choice, we write in one words. First, I draw a line QR, is the first case. Next, make at Q, we making an angle 30, we draw one line, second case. Third one, making a 90-degree angle line, third one. Next, taking the perpendicular bisector. And then, with O as center, OQ as a radius, we draw a circle. Next, making an arc 4.2 centimeter. Join PQ and PR. Then PQR is the required triangle. So the construction is your choice, but don't write in story. So you see the diagram, you write one by one step.